Hello everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial. In today's video, let's learn how to transfer ownership of a Facebook page on Android. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do is log into your Facebook account. So I have here logged into my Facebook account. Now on the top right corner, tap on these three horizontal lines and here tap on see more. Tap on pages. Here you will find your page. Simply tap on it and here the option to switch its page will appear. You can just simply tap on it to switch to your page. You can also go through shortcut directly. So the next step what you have to do is here tap on this three horizontal line again. After that here you will find the shortcut to switch its page and account. So after that go to the settings and scroll down to page setup. Tap on this page setup. Here you will find the option of page access. So tap on view. After that you can here tap on add new. You can tap on next and here search for the people you want to transfer the Facebook ownership to. So here I'll search for this and you can simply what tap on this give access and the Facebook page ownership will be transferred to this person. So here we are done. I hope this video will help you out to learn how to transfer Facebook ownership. So thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.